In the IT movie, there's this part where the Losers Club, a group of friends, decides to check out a really spooky house on Neibolt Street. They've heard that Pennywise, the creepy clown causing all sorts of trouble, might be hiding there. So, they gather their courage and head towards this old, run-down house. As they approach, the house looks like something straight out of a nightmare, with broken windows and an overall eerie feeling. Despite its creepy appearance, the friends decide to go inside. The atmosphere inside is tense and gloomy, with the air thick with an unsettling vibe. Inside the house, things get even more intense. Each kid starts facing their worst fears. For example, if someone is scared of sickness, they might stumble upon a room filled with medical equipment. It's like the house is playing tricks on them, bringing their deepest fears to life. And then there's Pennywise, the scary clown, making things even more terrifying. He shows up in different forms, trying to scare the kids even more. It becomes a real showdown between the Losers Club and Pennywise, a battle of courage against fear. Despite all the scares, the friends stick together and confront Pennywise head-on. It's a pretty intense moment where they have to be really brave and face not only the physical scares, but also the fears inside their minds. Eventually, they manage to escape the haunted house, leaving behind the darkness and fear. The experience brings the friends even closer together because they face something really scary as a team. It's a turning point in the story, showing that the Losers Club can stand up to the horrors of Derry and Pennywise, no matter how terrifying they may be.